Good morning or good afternoon. This is Mrs. Witten. I'm going to show you today how to do an assignment for me. You're going to be doing a pre-assessment for our character unit. I really need you all to listen carefully today and follow these directions. I'm going to show you how to use a new tool. And if you need to play this video more than once to help you use the tool and follow directions, that is okay. I want you to do that. Also, this is a pre-assessment today. Please do your very best work. I'm going to be looking at this and looking to see what you have learned about characters in kindergarten, first grade, second, and third grade. And this is going to show me how much you remember from what you've learned about characters. So it's really important that you do your best work. So first thing, you're going to go to your classroom, and I'm going to use my homeroom as an example. So you'll go to your Google Classroom, and you'll go to the ELA course. Once you get there, and I know a lot of you have already seen this, there is an assignment called Pre-Assessment for Character Unit. So you're going to click on that, and on your screen, you're going to see the instructions. The directions say, you will read the following passage called Papa's Parrot by Cynthia Rylant. After reading, answer the following 4 questions by typing your answer in each box. Please do your best work. All right, so here is where the new tool is going to come in. First, you're going to open your assignment, and it's going to look like this. Okay, now, when you see this, you're going to go to the 3 dots over here on the right-hand corner. Click those 3 dots and then open in a new window. It will open a new tab for you, and now at the top, you should have a little box here that says Open With. Okay, you're going to click the drop down arrow, and you're going to click on Annotate with Kami. So now you have a Kami. Your screen's going to look like this. If something pops up, just close it, and it probably won't. But you're going to see a screen like this. It's the same assignment, but now it will let you write on it and type on it, okay? The top part, these are 4 questions, but you'll notice that there are some things that will help you do some thinking. So for example, question number 1 says, what kind of person is Mr. Tillin? Here are some reminders. When describing a character, remember to show that you know the character is complicated. For example, tell about more than one trait. Tell about the character's motivations or why a character wants to do something. Give details from different parts of the story that support your understanding of the character. These here that I'm highlighting are things that will help you answer this question. Same thing down here. When discussing character change, remember to, and then they give you another set of directions that can help you answer this question. If you don't want to look at this, you can scroll down. This is the same assignment, but now it doesn't have the 4 parts that remind you what to do. So you can come down here, and this is where you're going to type your answer, so pay attention, okay? This is your first page. Don't type your answers here. Scroll down. You're going to type your answers here. You will need a text box. So here are all your tools over here on the left. You want to click on text box. Leave the font size. Change the color to something besides black. So I'm going to use pink. So this way I can see your answer, okay? And now I'm going to start typing. Mr. Tillin is a kind person. And now I'm going to continue to answer, okay? This is not the right answer. I didn't even read the passage, but I'm showing you how to use the tools. right? So you'll keep typing. Now look at where my box is going. This isn't okay. So I'm going to shrink it back because I only want my text box to fit in this part here. Okay? So if you want to make your text box, look, let's do another text box over here. And I'm going to make my text box fit there. So when I start typing, it's going to be right in here, right? I'm going to type in here. Same thing here. Here's another text box. And I'm going to type in my text box here. Okay, so this should not be that hard. Once you're finished with it, it's saved already, just like a Google Drive assignment, and it's going to save to your drive. So you don't have to worry about doing anything else. It's going to automatically save. You can click save if you want, but it's already got it saved there. Okay, so then once you finish with that, you can close out of it and it will be in your folder. Okay, so that's how you use that tool today. Please make sure that, like I said, if you need to watch this video again to make sure you're following directions okay, you may do that. This is the first time we've used this tool. All right, so good luck, do your best work, and I will see you all very soon. I look forward to reading your answers.